Good morning, good afternoon. Just want to talk about a few things today. That looks like a thumb. Every position, every light always shows something different in this house all the time. Think, 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 think. So it's all about words. Here's a two-letter word. Mumammamamaninalitti Okay, but we can eliminate. There's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 19. I don't need this one, and I don't need this one. There are now 17. The same, 17. See, they kept the 4 to the row. Here's the same, 16. Why did they put this over here like this? Oh no, A-N-N-A, right? A-N-N-A. Here they kept it together. Here they kept it together. Here they kept it together. There was one here they kept together, but here they separated it. Is it because it was in alphabetical orders? I don't think so. Alphabetical order for what? So we have to eliminate 1. We will have to eliminate 2 because they are the same. We will eliminate 3. We will eliminate 4. 4. We eliminate 5. We eliminate 6. So there's 13 and 19 from the same word, the IT and the TI, of the NA, of the AN. So here's your two-letter word, okay? If I go through the whole thing, it's 34, 34, 14, 22, 35, 12. Just ask Al. Just ask Al. Remember the program Reboot. There's a whole thing on Reboot and names. Enzo, Reboot, Bob, Dot. So these are the two-letter words, right? And then in this word, we now have the three-letter words. L-U-M-M-U-N-A-M-U. Same word. I-M-U's different word. A-M-A-N. So they're all different words. And three-letter words. And then we have the four-letter word. And then we have the five-letter word. And then we have the six-letter word. Intima, Manitou, Ultima, Alumni, Allium, Illumin. And then we have the seven-letter word. Luminal, Luminal, Intimal, Minutia. Okay, this is being meticulous about time. That the militia of all is the arrangement of time. Initial, the initial departure. And then the last two words are minutual. This is basically I take from the sky, and eliminam, and then the 10-letter word Illuminati. So from the word Illuminati, we scroll all the way down to see everything that took to be what it is. So what if I mixed a 5-letter word with a 4-letter word? I'd have to take out some letters, but it would tell me a story about number 9. Anyways, that's what it is. So if I put in another word instead of this, and I would put in Jesus. No, I'm not going to put in. I'm going to put in, let's say, Mr. Tackpans. Let's see what happens to Mr. Tackpans and search. I go all the way down to the 2-letter words. You see, you have to say A-M-M-A. I have a P-A, which is different. I have an A-A, which is different. I have an A-R that is different. So I have the A-T and the T-A. It's the same. I have the NAP, the CAN, the MAN, the PAC, the MAC, the AMP in CAT, ARM, etc. We have the CAR. We have the CAMs. We have CAMPs and AMPs and RAMPs. And here's all the way up to who and what is. We have Atmans. We have Mantra in Mr. Tackpans. We have Trappin. We have Pranam. We have Tampin. We have Amtrak. We have Catnap. We have Cramps. We have Captains. We have Cantrap. Hold on, I got the phone. Okay, so now I'm going to try and see if I can get my camera to focus. Okay, I'm going to hold it at this height. This is just something really short. This is the star system, although this is the mathematics of the star system 8. This is the only thing you can basically do. Before you have every single direction, this is what you have to do. The Star of David is made a little bit like this. These are all showing directions. Then there's what 7 does. Christ, green go, CDC. 8 and 8 equals 16. 1 and 6 equals to 7. 1 times 3 equals DC. Where does DC come from in the short term? Where does 7 come from in the short term? So the low part of creation of DC or CDC is right here, and it goes all the way up to the high formation where 777 come together. There are other 7s, but there's only this 7. Cold, hot, which create colors of blue, 40, red, hot, also orange, when metals are heated. So it's orange, which brings out the yellow soul. So anyways, we have this piece out of here. 3 out of 4 equaling to 6 out of 8, which also equals to DCCD. Okay, we're not going to get into that. Just keep it generic right now. Just want to see what else is left in this book.